Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so you can act immediately. Charge the controller to at least half, swap in fresh batteries or plug in a USB-C cable, and restart the console to clear transient glitches. Once done, make sure your Xbox firmware and controller firmware are up to date. Outdated firmware often blocks pairing. If you use Bluetooth on PC, ensure Bluetooth is enabled and not connected to another device. These steps eliminate common power and firmware barriers before deeper troubleshooting. Now tackle pairing. Plug the controller into the Xbox with a known good USB-C cable and verify the console recognizes inputs. This rules out wireless hardware failure. Then test wireless sync. Hold the controller sync button until the Xbox flashes and press the console's sync. If that fails, remove stored controllers in settings and perform a fresh pair. Saved corrupt pairings can block reconnection. Make sure to move away from interference sources like Wi-Fi routers while you repeat the sequence. Finish by ensuring firmware is current. Use the Xbox Accessories app to update or reinstall controller firmware because software fixes resolve many connection bugs. If updates don't help, perform a controller factory reset by draining power and repairing. The reset can clear firmware-level hangs. If problems persist, test the controller on a different console or PC to isolate hardware faults. Troubleshooting tip. If the controller pairs but disconnects intermittently, check for wireless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.